Since 2008, Chungdahm Philippines has been committed to providing high-quality yet cost-effective online ESL service to key clients. In 10 years, the company has expanded its market not only to Korea, but to other parts of Asia. From a small, humble company, Chungdahm Philippines has grown into an enterprise with more than 200 exceptional teachers helping countless numbers of learners from South Korea, China, and Japan. Chungdahm Philippines guarantees optimal learning by incorporating its key programs specializing in English speaking and writing. Our ESL writing tutors utilize guided learning by evaluating online essays designed to develop the way students compose academic and non-academic writings. Through live conversations via phone or video, our ESL speaking tutors apply both structured and personalized online teaching methodologies to effectively improve the students' listening and speaking skills.
Hi Richard, how are you today?
So this is all for today, Robert. Don't forget to study for our next lesson. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.
Our qualified teachers are fully equipped with our in-house intensive training and experience to ensure that our students obtain the most beneficial learning possible. Our programs provide modern techniques and strategies catering to the needs of the students to become globally competitive in mastering and using the English language. More than a source of livelihood, Chungdahm Philippines has become an indispensable help towards its employees' career, social, and personal growth. Improvements along the years have given everyone happiness, with the company's eye on its people's well-being. With all the expertise of more than a decade of shared experiences and success, Chungdahm Philippines is poised to take flight and reach higher. We are serious about our vision of becoming the #1 online ESL service provider in the country.